Yo, what's up everybody, it's Tech Fantasy, and if you're rocking a MacBook Air M2, you know this thing is already a beast. But who wouldn't want even more speed, right? We're talking about squeezing every ounce of performance out of this machine, making it smoother, faster, and ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Whether you're editing videos, multitasking like a pro, or just want your laptop to feel as snappy as the day you unboxed it, optimizing your setup can make a world of difference. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. So in this video, I'm breaking down some easy but super effective tips to unlock the full potential of your MacBook Air M2. Let's get right into it. First up, let's dive into some macOS settings that can make a surprising difference. We're talking about fine-tuning the system to work smarter, not harder. Go into your settings and check out what's eating up your system resources on startup. Do you really need all those apps launching right when you boot up? Probably not. Disable the ones you don't use regularly, and you'll notice a faster startup time. Next, let's talk power settings. You can optimize these for better performance. It might sacrifice a bit of battery life, but hey, sometimes you need that extra horsepower, right? And finally, if you haven't already, give Stage Manager or Focus Mode a try. These features can really help you streamline your workflow and minimize distractions. Now let's talk about storage and memory, the fuel that keeps your MacBook running. Just like a cluttered room, a cluttered hard drive can slow things down. macOS actually has some really solid built-in tools for managing your storage. Use them. They can help you identify large files, optimize storage, and even empty the trash automatically. And don't be afraid to offload those huge files you don't access regularly. iCloud is great for this, or you can use an external drive. Freeing up space on your main drive can significantly improve performance. Oh, and one more thing. Close those unused apps and browser tabs. They might seem harmless, but they can eat up RAM and slow down your entire system. This one seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people neglect it. Keeping your Mac, as well as your apps, updated is crucial for optimal performance. Apple is constantly releasing updates that include bug fixes, security patches, and even performance enhancements. So, make it a habit to check for updates regularly. The App Store makes this super easy. You can even set it to automatically update your apps in the background, so you don't have to think about it. Trust me, staying up to date is a game changer. Alright, now let's talk about battery health and cooling, because overheating can really put a damper on performance. First off, avoid keeping your MacBook plugged in 24/7. It's tempting, I know, but it can actually degrade your battery life over time. Second, if you're really pushing your MacBook, consider using an elevated stand. This improves airflow and helps to keep things cool. And lastly, be mindful of those resource-hungry apps running in the background. They can generate a lot of heat, even if you're not actively using them. Now for those who want to take it a step further, here are some bonus tips. Consider switching to Safari if you're a Chrome user. It might sound crazy, but Safari is optimized for macOS and can actually deliver better battery life and performance on MacBooks. Also, did you know you can enable optimized storage for your mail and messages? This keeps only recent attachments downloaded to your Mac, saving you precious storage space. And finally, if you're really serious about performance, you can disable unnecessary animations and visual effects. It might not seem like much, but every little bit helps, right? So, there you have it. Some simple yet powerful ways to boost your MacBook Air M2 performance. Remember, taking care of your tech is an investment. By implementing these tips, you'll not only enjoy a faster, smoother experience, but you'll also extend the lifespan of your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments down below which of these tips you're excited to try out. Until next time, keep it techie. Keep it.